Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to install, download and set up Java JDK in order to execute any Java program. So first you have to check whether the JDK is available in your system or not. For that reason just go to command prompt and just type Java C. You can see there you are getting a message called Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. Right, it means that JDK is not being installed. So we'll see how to install JDK. So in order to do that, go to your browser. You can go to any web browser. So here I went for this one, Google Chrome. So here I will say JDK 1.8, whichever version you want, you can just go for it. So you can see there we are getting the link. So the first link, click on the first link, and you will be directed to the Oracle website. So there you have so many options. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see there you have a JDK for Linux, Solaris, Windows, for 32-bit, for 64-bit. So since my machine is a 64-bit machine, so I'm going to download JDK which is 64-bit. If your system is of 32-bit, then you can go for selecting this option. Now I'll go for selecting this option. Once I click that, you can able to see you have to go for accepting this and click on download. So once you download, you will be directed to Oracle website where you need to create an account. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account. If you have an account, you can just go for creating that account. Since I already have an account, so I'm just logging to my account. Yeah. So sign in. Yes, it's breaking time. So you can see there the exe file is been there. I'll just install this on download on my desktop. So you can see there it is being downloading. Right. So once you successfully downloaded, what happens? You can install JDK in your system. So we'll wait for the download process to complete. Yeah. So download is almost done. Yeah, it is about to done. So you can see there it is completed and it is your exe file. Just click on that exe file. Just click on the exe file. You can see they have downloaded here. So just keep on click on next. So next. So 2 times you press next and it will be automatically installed. Now you can see there it is extracting all the files and it is going to install in your machine. Right. So once installation is finished, then what you have to do, just click on OK. Right. So here you can see there if you want to change, you want to install JDK in any other folder or default folder, you can change by click on change. If not, you want to go for default folder, then just click on next. You can see there the installation process is started and JDK has been started installation in your system. Right. It may take a couple of minutes of time. Yes. Once it is been installed, you can see there Java SDK Development Kit 8 is been successfully installed. Just click on close. So now your JDK is been successfully installed. So directly we can't go for executing a program. We need to first set the path. We have to see where your Java JDK is been installed. So for that reason, go to your C drive. Here you go for program files. Program files. There you can see that you have a folder called Java. Inside the Java you can see the JDK 1.8. Double click that. Inside that bin. So here you can see that you have a Java C compiler. You have all the Java files which are being necessary to execute your Java code. Just select the path. Copy this path. We need to set the path. So minimize this. So go to your control panel. Yes, control panel. So inside the control panel, click on system and security. There you click on system. Right. In the next step, you go for clicking on advanced system setting. There you need to set the environment variables. Click on environment variables. So here you can go for this one. So just click on new and you can just say path. and whatever the path you have copied till bin, so copy paste it and click on OK, and then OK, and then OK, and then close it. So just refresh it once. So after it has been copying, just go to command prompt again, just type Java C. You can see there you're getting all the supporting files, right? So it means that you have Java JDK is been successfully installed, and once it has been installed, you can start executing your program through the command prompt. Is it clear? So this is how we can download and install and set up the path for JDK which is required to execute any Java program. Clear? In the next video, we'll see how to start executing a simple Java program. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.